guys, it's Jill. You might recognize this outfit because I literally just got done filming the last video. But I am cleaning out my fridge because my husband is on his way home from Costco and we have a lot of stuff in here that's not good. So, because I haven't cleaned this out since before we went on vacation. So, here I go. Hey guys, let me know in the comments how often you clean out your fridge. I don't know about you, but mine gets pretty gnarly pretty darn quickly. This is something that we do not usually have. We bought it during our vacation for a treat for the kids, but they haven't even asked for it, and I'm glad, and I'm dumping it because it's just pure sugar. This kombucha has been in here forever. No one's drinking it. We haven't even opened this jar. I'm gonna try it right now and see if we're gonna keep it. I'm just gonna leave it there until I try it.
We need to be ready for that.
Okay, Aubrey, go potty. You guys, I want to absolutely cry right now. Like, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? This was seriously so gross to clean. As much as I hate cleaning like freshly dropped raw eggs, because it's just like so hard because it's slimy and it doesn't like pick up easily, I would have rather done it when it was like that than this, because this was like seriously cemented on the fridge and it was just so gross. I dropped the nasty paper towel that was holding a bunch of gross dried up egg stuff. All right, I cannot get it more clean than that right now, and my husband's coming in. Okay, so my husband's on a work call in the truck, so he hasn't come in yet. So the kids haven't been able to bring in groceries, but I just wanted to show. So for now, I sprayed a bunch of vinegar and I put paper towels down and consolidated those grapes. I'm probably gonna eat these tonight. And then that chicken we're making tomorrow. But anyway, I got a lot of, ooh, I need to clean those tops, those shelves. But anyway, I made a lot of space in here compared to what it was, and yeah. And so here we are, just bringing in all of the groceries. My kids always help with this. They just know that when Daddy gets home with the groceries, they go out and get them. Even my 2-year-old helps, and it just helps it go a lot faster. And while they're bringing it in, I'm organizing it into pantry and stuff that goes in the fridge or freezer. So it just helps to have helpers. All right, guys, so the first thing we have here is their organic chunky guacamole. We love this stuff. We use it for chips. They used to have the holy guacamole that wasn't like seasoned and didn't have like the salsa stuff in it. And we loved that better because we used it for toast. It was just much more versatile. But anyway, we use this for the healthy chips that we buy. My son loves to make these for lunch. He's just so sick of sandwiches. And then we got organic frozen strawberries. We use those for smoothies and yogurt.
Best ever.
And then we just get chicken and ground turkey. And we get this lunch meat. No nitrates. Organic butter. Lots of grapes. My kids eat like 1 pack a day. And then we get these just for nights when we need like a super easy, fast meal. They are done in 2 minutes. And then lots of eggs, even though we have chickens. And that's it for the cold stuff. Okay, so these are the chips that we get. We eat it with the guacamole or we make nachos with them. But it's made with this stuff. So they are like gluten-free and they're like GMO. They're non-GMO and everything like that. Oranges. Giant oranges, pears, apples, and we usually get like a ton of stuff from Costco, but my husband just decided that it's so easy for him to go after work that he's just been going more often. So this is like 2 weeks, and it won't all last 2 weeks, but he's gonna go probably every 2 weeks or maybe even once a week. Tomato sauce, we make our spaghetti sauce from scratch. Organic raisins, organic refried beans, maple syrup, organic raw honey, unsalted cashews. Oh, normally we get the organic, but okay. And these nut bars, these are a treat and they usually last us a while. We use this for sandwiches, and this is my husband's guilty pleasure. I don't use it because it's super bad ingredients. We get these organic noodles just to switch it up when we have spaghetti. We don't always want this regular spaghetti noodles. And then we get these organic tortillas. We love these tortillas for quesadillas and tacos and stuff like that. So yeah. So there's all the pantry items. And I already got all the cold stuff put away. It's so weird how the lighting changes to blue when I walk in here from that like yellow lighting. But so yeah. There it is, fully stocked fridge from Costco. And I don't feel like trying this tonight, so I'm putting it back. But there we go.